What's up, guys? Welcome to 419 Fishing. I'm Blake. This is my son Jackson, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of creek fishing. Let me see it real quick. There we go. Bass.
I didn't know there was bass here.
Yeah. Came right in the top of the lip.
Let me hold it.
Little bass right there. Not bad, huh? You gonna catch you one?
Yeah.
Get him. Yep, that's a bass. Reel him in.
He's a big one.
Don't lose him. Yeah, he's a big one. Bring him over here. Keep reeling. Oh yeah, that's a good one, buddy. Oh, it's a catfish.
Oh.
Oh. It's a catfish.
Well, it's long, but not big. It's long, but not big.
Yeah. Catfish.
We thought it was a bass.
Not what we wanted.
Oh, go on.
You sure did, man. Get him.
I am.
Get him in.
Oh, it's another catfish.
Nuh-uh.
Like, no, it. Oh, I don't know what that is.
That's it.
I don't know what the heck that
A
is.
drum.
Oh, the drum. It's like that fish I caught last night.
Dude,
And Pop.
you're catching everything but. Oh,
I'm baiting you.
he's wild.
I'm
Huh?
baiting you.
You're baiting me.
Yeah.
How are you beating me?
Because I caught two. I caught a catfish and then I caught a drum.
Oh yeah, you are beating me. And fish-wise, you're beating me. Boy, he's hooked weird.
You have zero eye. Wait.
You want to go catch some bass?
Yeah, hold on.
All right. We're gonna switch spots and we'll pick back up in a minute. Gotta reel pretty fast, okay, or you get hung in the moss. Got one, buddy.
Oh, going?
Yep.
Really? I'm gonna grab it for you.
Little old bass.
Here, let me hold it.
Here you go.
Yep, the little one.
Show the camera. What's the score now, punk?
We're tied.
I know, that's what I thought. Get you some of that. You better get to fishing or I'm gonna win. switched over to the Kitech swim bait. Jackson, you still throwing that spinner bait?
I'm trying to tell you, so give me a different type.
What are you wanting, a Cinco? Oh, I just missed one.
Ah. Oh.
Buddy, that was close. He swirled on it. I seen it.
Yeah. I saw him move. I was like, oh. I was like, oh, I'm about to catch number 3.
Hey, get it out there, man. I seen him chasing it.
Oh. Oh. Dude, I hope he gets it.
Oh, yeah. This is a little bigger one here. No, it ain't.
Move it. Aw.
There's another little one. Uh-oh.
Fix me. Yeah, wait, never mind. Hold on. Whoa, that's this one.
Another little one. Little one.
Got him.
Get him for me?
Yeah.
Get him by his lip, like I taught you. Just watch that hook. There you go.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Thanks, man.
Whoa.
You hear me? Get it?
Got it. Here, I want to throw him back.
Show him to the camera how little he is. Camera's over there.
Hold on. Dad, really is? See right here? Is the bass. That's ready to fall in. Whoa!
Good job, bud. Oh, got one.
Oh, did you really?
Yep.
Right.
That's a bigger one.
Well, yeah, a little. Here, I'll show it to the camera. Man, he bended your worm. And he broke it. Well, he didn't break it.
Tore it up a little bit, didn't he?
Yeah. Tore it up a little. Ooh, he hooked it in there good. Here, let me show it to the camera.
Okay. I'm dropping. Get up there close so they can see how.
And that is the second bass.
Go up there and release him real gentle.
I am. Alright, I'm going to show you some.
Whoa.
Oh, splatter on me. Really?
You want to reel the next one in?
Yeah. It just splattered on me. He just splattered. I was like, here you go, buddy. And he just splattered on me. Well, that was sucky. It didn't go in the water, but it went in the grass. Wing. Oh, I think I caught one.
So did I.
Did you call
Did
one?
you catch one?
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Did
no,
you
it's
get
not.
one?
No,
You sure?
it wasn't. No. Here, let me show it to the
They're
camera.
getting a little bigger, buddy.
Let me show it to the camera again. Right there is our next bass. Stay still. That's enough.
All right, buddy, put him back.
Okay. Here you go, buddy.
Bud.
Dude, really?
Yeah, right there.
Right there. I guess that bolt, that's right there, the better spot.
Whoa. Holy crap!
Crap.
I jerked him plumb out of the water.
Here, I want to show it to the camera. I want to show this to the camera. Oh, not that big.
No, he's small.
He's small. Don't worry, I'm going to let him loose again. Not that bad.
He's small.
He's small, little.
Another little guy.
Yep. See you right there. He's starting to wiggle. Here you go, bud. That's a reason. Really? Yeah, that's kind of clear out here. Those fish right here.
Oh, got him, buddy.
Is he a big one?
Nah, he's not real big.
Ooh, wow.
He's not bad, though.
Can I show him to the camera?
Yeah. Frog fish.
We just caught our first bass, and I'll show it to you all in a minute.
First one on top water.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Here, I'll hold. Now let me show it to them.
Oh, I'll show it to him too.
No.
Here you go.
No, let me.
Look, come here with me. Frogfish, baby.
Wrong fish.
Heck yeah.
Well, let me get it a little closer that way you can see it. It feels like two. Look at it. Look at them vines. Here you go, bud.
Here, Jack. Hey. Throw him out there. Come get this reel before it gets there.
Wait, when it like a fish jumps on it, and I'm like reeling in, so I think, yeah, it's dead.
There's one already on it, dude. Get him.
Oh.
Don't let this one get away.
I'm not fast. Dude, he's still on.
Are you sure?
Dude, really?
Oh my gosh, man. You are just missing fish like crazy. Last cast, buddy, then we gotta go. Don't do that. I ain't gonna let you reel this fish in.
Yes, you are. Whoa.
Got it, buddy.
Let me reel in.
Okay, here.
Let me.
Really? Keep
I
your
got it.
line tight. Keep your line tight. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Where are you? Oh, you're
Come on.
big.
Come on.
Dang.
Get him in.
Oh, I was hurting my balls.
Come on. Pretty good one, buddy.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, right there.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh.
Here, I want to show it to the camera.
Okay.
And that is our first bass.
That's your first bass
Well,
for today. Pretty good one, buddy.
and you can see there, that's...
Well, it was my fault I brought the flimsy pole for you. I thought we were just going to be crappie fishing, but we changed over to bass. And does he smell good?